This one goes out to everybody watching this video. That was supposed to be like a joke where like I missed. Hi, this is Dinkle and welcome to my new woodshop. So my husband and I achieved a long-term goal of ours, which was to buy a house. And I'm so grateful to have this have happened and to have this space. And I love my husband. And so I'm gonna show you around this basement. It has not been touched at all yet. We got everything moved in here and we just threw it wherever it could fit. But I wanted to document this place before I did anything to organize it, improve it, blah, 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 clean it up. First, we have to talk about the elephant in the room. This pool table is not my property. It was left here by the previous owner, which I should have known. This thing weighs like 3 million pounds, but I'm gonna put it on Facebook Marketplace as soon as I can and hopefully get this thing out of here. We also have a laundry chute right here, so things can be sent from the second floor or the first floor directly to the wood shop. There are pot lights all throughout the ceiling, and I can imagine that maybe I'm gonna fit out these pot lights with a bunch of smart bulbs. Therefore, I can do some sort of synchronized psychedelic light show down here. Use this space for practicing original choreography, performing for friends and family, that sort of thing. If you want to purchase this pool table from me, let me know. This is not Dinkle's Party Boy Central. That is not part of my personal journey. Interesting cabinets over here. Breaker box. We got some more Party Boy accessories. Just kidding. I also do not need this. See, this is Party Boy lifestyle. Party Boy lifestyle. And what's this door right here? It's a bathroom! Bathroom in the wood shop. Can you say rustic? Well, I can, and I just did. Here's a wonderful barn door. Fantastic, rustic, country details for a discerning woman like myself. This is just like a weird storage area. I can imagine this is gonna be a great place to store wood, but look at this. I feel like the most fabulous woman in the world. 2 windows. Look at these windows. This is not your sort of haunted dungeon, tiny little window. This is a full window. This is a walk-out basement. You can literally walk out of it. As some of you might know, I love bird watching. The diversity of birds that I've already seen upon moving into this place has been crazy. We have every type of North American woodpecker you could imagine. Eastern bluebirds. Oh, what was it? A red-bellied nuthatch, which is one I had never seen before. But imagine you're having like a woodworking related mental health crisis and you just open the door and you walk out into the nature and you just take a deep breath. It's gonna be incredible. All right, and you probably can't tell from the video, but like any old-ish house, the foundation has settled a little bit. This area here, the whole basement kind of tilts into the ravine. We did get the foundation checked out by a specialist. It's fine. We might stabilize it in the future, but like, it's fine. It's just like this floor is not level. I'm Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson. So this place looks like a bomb blew up because, you know, moving is stressful enough. Moving a wood shop is extra stressful. And I always knew I was going to have to contend with the amount of crap in my wood shop that I've collected over the years. And I did, you know, by moving the whole thing and also having my husband help me move. So thank you to him for always being so patient and supporting my dreams and my delusions. The thing is, you know, I wasn't sure if the rumors were true, but you do actually have to reap what you sow. People have been saying it. I wasn't sure if it was true. It is true, guys. I just want to come on here to say that you do have to reap what you sow. For those of you who don't know, I started DIY woodworking on my own 9 years ago. So this is the culmination of 9 years of having this as like the primary hobby in my life, and it being my life's passion and my joy and my nightmare. No, I'm just kidding. It's definitely not a nightmare. And so when I got into this hobby, I took a lot of reference and education from people who had like a very garage type Midwestern dad style of woodworking, which is totally fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But those type of people, it tends to be very power tool focused. It tends to be focused on getting a big cabinet table saw, getting a big router table, getting all the big things. And a lot of my woodworking journey has been very undirected. I've gone into so many different pockets of woodworking styles and woodworking methods that I've just accumulated so much crap over the years. Now that I moved everything, I'm gonna go through all the stuff that is not serving me, and I'm gonna be blowing up Facebook Marketplace, eBay, maybe even Craigslist, because now is the time time to downsize. I feel like I understand woodworking so much better than I did when I was younger, obviously. So I know what I actually don't need anymore, and I feel like I can work a lot more efficiently. So yeah, the next few weeks are just going to be a lot of decluttering, a lot of Facebook Marketplace listings, a lot of cleaning up dead spiders. But I can't wait to show you guys what I make. I'm going to go put out some mealworms for the local Eastern Bluebirds.